Countif function in Microsoft Office Excel. In this video, I would like share to with using Countif function. Now read the question. Please count all the staff position which is security. This is the staff list information. In the question, we need to count only the staff position is security. What function do we use? Okay, we need to use Countif function. First, click on cell, press equals, and type Countif and open parentheses. After, select all the staff position and comma, open double quote, and enter the criteria is security. Close double quote and close parentheses. Press enter. Here is the outcome after we use Countif function. There are two staff's position are securities. Okay, with Countif function is done. Subscribe for more video tutorials.